And a good morning. And this is Kennin-ji Temple, which is just next to Gion here. And it's the meaning of my walk-in of these videos is not about these temples, it's about walking around Kyoto. And to get here from Kyoto Station, walking on foot, it's about 30 minutes. From here, if you want to go up to Kiyomizu-dera, it's a 15-minute walk. And from here, it's pretty centred to everywhere. If you want to walk over to Shijo, the shopping area, 5-10 minute walk. All very easy to walk around. This one's pretty pleasant. It also stays quite empty for as a tourist. For some reason seem to miss it, but if you get your morning time and you get it pretty empty like this, so yeah, worth a stop by. This is on the walk. As usual, none of the sportswear, which I have to mention. And I've got the Columbias on again, which actually I need to start switching from these, but as you see, not the best of skies. But yesterday was raining. It's probably about 16, 17 degrees at the moment, Sunday morning. Yeah, let's just do some other of these posts later. And yeah, as again, these are not for looking at the temples. You're going to go onto YouTube, and as some people have pointed out to us, is that so many people are posting temples and the shrines and etc. So my one's really is just about, you know, getting people on their feet, walking around everywhere. So just film it as we walk out here, and then you'll see Gion. Well, let me stop it, and then we'll come back on.